Hi, my name is Bill. I'm 70 years old and I've had back problems since I was 12 years old. I've had significant back problems since my early 40s. I found Dr. Briggs over 12 years ago. He has been treating my long-term chronic back problems throughout that 12-year period. A few years ago, I went through the decompression program. And during that time period, I have been able to almost completely stop the use of muscle relaxants. In fact, in the last 18 months, I've taken less than 5 pills. In a typical year before that, I would go through anywhere from 200 to 300 of the muscle relaxants. Decompression has worked very well for me.
Hi, I'm Nancy from Dublin, Ohio, and I am more than happy to tell my side of the story. When I came in to see Dr. Briggs last spring, I could barely walk. I was completely dependent. I had to have folks drive me somewhere because I couldn't drive. I had to have help going up the stairs, which finally ended up being I couldn't go upstairs. And I came to Dr. Briggs in the most severe pain I've ever had in my life. He turned my world around. He taught me to walk again. He didn't teach me so much as he enabled me to walk again. He changed my whole life. He made me independent again, which matters a whole lot to me. I made a note on my calendar that 5 weeks after I came to see him, I could drive again. Oh, that was a miracle. That's a miracle. I willed myself right then that I was going to do whatever it took. And so Dr. Briggs had already gotten there. He was way ahead of me on that. He was already doing everything it took. All I had to do was do what he said. And now as I tell him, whatever he tells me to do, I will do it. What he says goes, and it goes well with me. Thank you, Dr. Briggs. You saved my life.
Hi, my name's Rich Cottrell from Delaware, Ohio. About 2 years, just over 2 years ago, I actually was playing tennis, got what I thought was just, I'd had lower back muscular problems for a long time, felt some twinging, decided to play through it that night, and when I got done could barely get to the car. And so for a couple months I actually went to 2 different chiropractors and got to the point where I'd actually seen a couple surgeons that said you have to have lower back surgery. I was recommended by a patient here actually to come in and have Dr. Briggs take a look and did an evaluation, went through decompression for probably, after the first week I was actually feeling pretty good, which was just amazing because of the leg pain and so forth that I'd had. Went through that for, my memory says maybe 3 or 4 months, and since then been coming back. I'm now at a point where I'm down to, I just come in once a month for an adjustment, and actually I've been feeling so good I actually skipped 3 or 4 months, which I don't recommend, but was really good today, and I just decided I needed to come back in for that. But wouldn't recommend, I don't recommend to anybody back surgery. I've done a lot of research on that, and even a successful back surgery is not a successful back surgery in my opinion. So if you have that, you're thinking about that, come see Dr. Briggs first and decide if give it a try, see if he can't help you. A lot less cost long term and a lot better prognosis in my opinion.